a bowl.
Oh.
Spoon to stir it.
Oh yeah, a spoon. A spoon. Anything else?
We need.
What?
We need to test to make sure it's enough.
Oh.
We need to see if it's enough to make the volcano.
That's
Make sure it's
right.
We need to make sure there's enough room for all the volcanoes. What is that? We could show how tall they were going to be or how wide they were going to be.
But, oh, you wanted to make it with Taha and Kahalaba, didn't you? But they are not wanting to. They want to make their own now.
And you want to make your own?
Rachel, are you wanting to do one with someone? And Talia is wanting to do one with someone? Do you guys want to work together?
I have a better idea. How about we one side builds as a group and one side builds their own.
Rachel, how do we do it?
We do 2 cups and then do 2 more. So I'll do the crowd. No, I think it's right here.
Hey, is it on the line? Not yet?
Oh, you got some on soap. Let's mix now. Let's mix. Oh, wait.
Is it at the 1.5 line yet? Show me. Oh, yay, Molly.
What's going to happen? I'll do it all here. When it stops here, you get to the corner one.
All right, Gordon. So, friends, something is happening. Rachel helping you out?
Jenny, I didn't see you. Is that just 2 cups?
Yeah, I went up to 2.
Oh, what? We need 4 cups.
Okay.
So, what are we going to do?
Well, 2 plus 2 is 4. So, I don't know what you need. 2 more. Yeah, 2 more. It's right now? No.
The other?
Slowly.
Do it makes at a time. And start to use your hands till it starts to form a ball. Yeah?
No, wait. We can paint inside this and cut this. Wait. You mean like this? Whoa.
If the clay is on top of the hole, will the volcano erupt?
No. Let's do the same as Molly. Nah. It's the same spot, but different. Yeah. Mine's getting pretty tall. Just have to squish them and take it out. There. Then you get a hole.
Oh, watch Danny.
Here, I put the bottle in. I make a tight I do that? You make, I'm gonna take that, and push. Be the same, and then voila, you got a ball.
Wait until they dry. We won't be able to make our volcanoes erupt. It says it takes 2 or more days to dry. So tomorrow we won't be at Hilltop, right? That's Friday. Are we there on Are we here on Saturdays?
No.
Are we here on Sundays?
Friday? We're here on Friday.
But not this Friday. Where are we going?
Field trip.
Field trip. So are we here on Sundays?
Mom, no. Mom, we're here for a little while when we're making our map.
We are not going to come to Hilltop tomorrow.
No.
So no school on Sundays. What about Mondays?
Yes. No.
Do we come to Hilltop on Mondays? No. Tuesday. So that's the next day. So that means it'll have 4 days.
Oh, look, guys. Don't stop. Sandstorm! Poof! 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 Mama! Poof! Help me find the precious. Help me find the precious. If anybody wants to, any kind of sand, blow! Blow the sand off your dinosaur's trap. Watch this, guys. Everybody, that's here.
I'm thinking Talha's getting it in his eyes.
And I'm starting to cough.
Oh, in your mouth? Oh, Kahalai's starting to cough.
Sandstorm.
Danny, I can't see your volcano anymore.
I know, it's buried.
Buried. Hey, here comes Theo with her.
We got a lot of precious. We got all the precious. Oh, we put it right. Who wants more? Look at mine. I'm uncovering a new secret with this bread.
A new secret.
Can I have some more sand?
How's it going?
Get away, some other day. Dinosaurs forever play. Get away. Go away, some other day.